Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Sirsa location. It is from Haryana. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for Executive Credit Operations in Bajaj Finserv. Coming to the key duties and responsibilities, like fulfillment of gold loan process at branch, post sales and basic data entry by marketing executives, training for subsequent new hires on policies and processes for gold loans, and ensuring policy adherence and meeting the TAT at branches, ensuring adherence to vaulting process and policies, auditing gold as per laid down policies and process, valuation of gold ornaments, and provide feedback to HO authorities on credit process or policies or local market on a regular basis, and data analysis and sharing of best practices with other locations teams. These are some duties and key responsibilities. Coming to the required qualifications and experience, like the candidates should be a graduate with 1 to 4 years of relevant experience in gold loan industry, and the candidate should have knowledge of gold appraisal process, imparting goal appraisal or evaluation training, and the candidates should have good interpersonal skills. These are qualifications and experience required for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for branding manager in Mahadev Rice Industry. And coming to the job description, like they need an excellent brand manager for their brand in the field of rice products, and a specialist in the field of rice manufacturing and export. And this is about the job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for Orion Emergency Room in Spectrum Healthcare Resources. Coming to the job requirements, like the candidates must be a US citizen, and the candidates must have and maintain a current and valid state license and current BLS, ACLS and PALS certification, and the candidates should have a minimum of at least 3 years of experience within the last 4 years in an emergency department. These are some job requirements for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for computer operator in Gaurakshi. And coming to the job description, like the candidates should be have a good computer operator and with good communicational detail, and the candidates should know MS Office plus mailing, and this job type is full time and the salary ranges from 10,000 per month. And coming to the schedule, it will be day shift, evening shift or morning shift. And coming to the languages known, like English is preferred. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for field survey executive in Polyarch Media. And if you see salary, like it will ranges from 18,000 to 25,000, and this job type is a full time. And coming to the job responsibilities, like visit and collect information from field, collect survey sample from field, fill up the sample information in a mobile app, and coordinate with the team to complete the entire activity. And the candidates must have Android mobile phone. And this is the job responsibilities. Coming to the job type, it will be a full time, and salary ranges from 18,000 plus to 25,000 plus per month. And if you see the education details, like the candidates should have higher secondary education. And coming to the experience required, like 1 year of work experience will be preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for female showroom assistant in Royal Jewelers, and this is a full-time job opportunity and salary ranges from 5,000 to 7,000 per month. And if you see the benefits, like they will provide cell phone reimbursement, leave encasement and paid sick time, and these are the benefits for this job role. And coming to the schedule, like it will be morning shift. And coming to the supplemental pay, like they will provide commission pay, overtime pay and yearly bonus. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, this is a job opening for sales executive in Fresh Style Marketing Private Limited. Coming to the qualifications required, like minimum 12th pass or above, and experience will be freshers and 1 year experienced candidates can apply. And coming to the part-time hours, like it will be 48 hours per week, and this is a full-time or part-time job opportunity. And for this job role, the salary will be 8,000 to 15,000 per month. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for sample collection by in Nucleus. And coming to the job type, it will be full time, and schedule will be day shift, evening shift or morning shift. And coming to the experience required, like 1 year experience candidates can apply. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.